Hey guys, this video is going to go over finding the slope when you are given a table of points. All right, so first thing, I have an XY table here. So when I plugged in -2, I got -2, 7, 25, -5, -11, etc. So I want to find the slope. So quick refresher, slope is the change in y over the change in x. Remember, that's what those triangles mean. So this shouldn't be too difficult. All you need to do is pick 2 points from the table. So I'm going to pick the top two. I'll take -2, -2, and 7, 25, and I'm going to write those as an ordered pair if that helps you. So -2, -2, and 7, 25. All right, now you should know how to find the slope of these 2 points because we just did this in a video before. So I'm going to take my y-coordinates, -2 and 25, and find the difference. So -2 minus 25, and then I'm going to take my x values, -2 and 7. I'm going to do -2 minus 7. Okay, again, if it helps you, go ahead and add the opposite. So I end up with, on the top, -27 over -9. All right, last step, I should simplify. A negative divided by a negative is a +3, or 3 over 1. So my slope of the line that goes through these points is 3 over 1, or 3. So again, all you do if you are given a table of points and you're trying to find the slope is just pick 2 coordinates, -2, -2, 7, 25. It would not have mattered if I would have chosen this coordinate or this coordinate. As long as you pick 2 points and then do the change in the y values and the change in the x, you will get the same answer. And then just as a quick little refresher, if you end up when you're subtracting, if I had like 5 minus 5 on the top and 4 minus 8 on the bottom, if I get 5 minus 5, that's 0 over -4. Remember, that simplifies to 0. Think in your head, what kind of line is that? Well, that is a horizontal line because there is no steepness to that line. It has no slope. If instead I would have had something like this, 4 minus 8 on the top, my change in y, over 5 minus 5, my change in x, and I end up with -4 over 0. Remember, you cannot divide by 0. So this means this is a vertical line and the slope is undefined. So that's just a quick refresher. This line is so steep that I can't even define the slope.